Welcome back to the Car Center, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, next generation reveals, and everything exciting in the automotive world. If you love performance cars, future technologies, and iconic machines reimagined, make sure to subscribe to the Car Center and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today we're taking a closer look at the new next generation 2026 Corvette C8 Z51, a performance icon that continues to evolve and push boundaries like never before. The Corvette has always been more than just a sports car. It represents decades of American performance, innovation, and engineering excellence. When Chevrolet introduced the mid-engine layout with the C8, it completely transformed the identity of the Corvette, taking it into supercar territory. Now, the 2026 Corvette C8 Z51 builds on that revolutionary change, refining the design, enhancing performance, and bringing even more advanced technology into the mix. From the outside, the 2026 Corvette C8 Z51 looks sharper and more aggressive than ever. The front fascia features a low and wide stance, large air intakes, and sleek LED headlights that give it a focused and modern look. Every line and surface is carefully designed to improve aerodynamics and cooling, ensuring that the car performs at its best even under extreme conditions. This is not just about style, it's about function and performance working together. The side profile highlights the beauty of the mid-engine layout. The low roofline, wide body, and sculpted air intakes create a dramatic and exotic appearance that rivals some of the most expensive supercars on the market. Large alloy wheels, bold character lines, and a planted stance give the car a sense of motion, even when it's parked. The proportions are perfectly balanced, making it one of the most visually striking Corvettes ever built. At the rear, the design continues to impress with quad exhaust tips, an aggressive diffuser, and a functional rear spoiler that enhances downforce. The sharp LED taillights add a modern touch while maintaining the Corvette's signature look. Every detail at the back of the car reinforces its performance, focused identity, making it clear that this machine is built for speed and precision. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Corvette C8 Z51 offers a driver-focused environment that feels both premium and futuristic. The cockpit-style layout wraps around the driver, placing all controls within easy reach. High-quality materials such as leather, carbon fiber, and brushed metal create a luxurious yet sporty atmosphere. The seats are designed to provide excellent support during high-speed driving while remaining comfortable for everyday use. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable information, allowing the driver to monitor performance data, navigation, and vehicle settings with ease. The infotainment system is intuitive and responsive, offering smartphone connectivity, voice controls, and advanced features that enhance the driving experience. One of the most distinctive elements of the interior is the row of buttons along the center console, giving the cabin a unique and modern feel. Despite being a high-performance sports car, the Corvette C8 Z51 remains surprisingly practical. It offers both front and rear storage compartments, making it more usable for daily driving or weekend trips. This balance between performance and practicality is one of the reasons why the Corvette continues to stand out in its segment. Under the rear deck, the 2026 Corvette C8 Z51 is expected to feature a powerful naturally aspirated V8 engine that delivers thrilling performance and an unforgettable sound. Paired with a dual-clutch transmission, the car offers lightning, fast gear changes, and smooth power delivery. Acceleration is expected to be incredibly quick, making it one of the fastest Corvettes ever produced. The Z51 performance package takes the car to the next level by adding upgraded brakes, a sport-tuned suspension, an electronic limited slip differential, and enhanced cooling systems. These features are designed to improve handling, stability, and overall performance, especially during high-speed driving or track use. The result is a car that feels precise, responsive, and incredibly capable in any situation. One of the key advantages of the mid-engine design is improved weight distribution, which enhances handling and balance. The 2026 model is expected to refine this even further, offering sharper steering and greater control. Whether you're taking on tight corners or cruising on the highway, the Corvette delivers a driving experience that is both exciting and confidence-inspiring. Technology also plays a major role in the 2026 Corvette C8 Z51. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and performance tracking systems are expected to be included. These technologies not only improve safety, but also allow drivers to fully explore the car's capabilities in a controlled and confident manner. What makes the Corvette truly special is its ability to deliver supercar-level performance at a relatively accessible price point. While many high-performance cars come with extremely high costs, the Corvette continues to offer incredible value, making it one of the most appealing options for enthusiasts who want both performance and practicality. The 2026 Corvette C8 Z51 represents the evolution of a legendary nameplate. It combines bold design, powerful performance, advanced technology, and everyday usability into one impressive package. It respects the heritage of the Corvette while embracing the future of automotive innovation. This new generation also reflects the changing direction of the automotive world. As technology continues to evolve, performance cars are becoming more advanced, more efficient, and more connected. The Corvette stands at the forefront of this transformation, proving that tradition and innovation can work together to create something truly remarkable. For car enthusiasts, the 2026 Corvette C8 Z51 is more than just a vehicle. It is a symbol of passion, performance, and engineering excellence. It captures the excitement of driving in its purest form while offering the comfort and technology expected from a modern sports car. Thanks for watching the Car Center. If you enjoyed this review of the 2026 Corvette C8 Z51, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car reviews, future reveals, and performance updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Corvette and whether it lives up to your expectations of a true performance icon.